Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to apply camera shake effect using Videopad editor. And if you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have one video added to Videopad. Now I'm gonna drag and drop this video to the timeline to video track 1. Play this clip and now find the point in time where I want to apply camera shake. So in this example I want to apply camera shake at the point where the skateboard hits the ground. So it would be right here, this keyframe. Now I need to navigate over the scissors, click here and split the clip just like this. Now I'm going to move the playhead just a few keyframes out and make another cut here. Split the clip again. Okay, so now we have separated this clip. And I need to select this middle section here where we want to apply camera shake. Now open video effects and in the search type in shake. And as you can see, this is the camera shake effect. So now select this effect. And here are the settings for camera shake. So as you can see, there are horizontal, vertical ratios, frequency, borders. And now these are all default settings. So if I move the playhead back, replay the clip, we'll see how it looks with default settings. Okay, we can see some camera shake happening there. Let's replay again. So now if we want to make this camera shake a bit more dramatic, we can change these settings to say something like 30 on vertical ratio, 30 as well. Maybe increase frequency, let's say for example 13. And I'm going to remove borders here so that we don't see any white borders on the sides. Okay, replay the clip. And there you go. That's your camera shake using Videopad. That's all guys. I hope this was useful. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.